Right, there we go. Right, so day 45, I think this is. Start of a new week, trying out our little 10-second strategy. So we entered here with this break of this bear flag, sorry. So we have literally, the market has literally just opened. So we did kind of jump in quite quickly. Didn't use a take, yeah, we exited here. Didn't use a take profit on this, so this is something interesting that I'm giving a go. Not used to take profit. Basically, I'm gonna try and get better at following with my stop. I don't know. See whether that works or not. Yeah, who knows? But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So we've taken a trade there. Really nice trade. Obviously, we're starting even though this is a 10-second chart, but it looks like we're chopping around a little bit. So yeah, good start. And yeah, we'll just see what happens with it. But yeah, I'm quietly confident for the week ahead. So yeah, but you know, I mean, who knows? I think we definitely need to pick and choose our trades. That's for sure. Like, obviously, entering here now would be an error. Because we're getting a little choppy, even though it does look like it's coming down. Entering here now would be a mistake. So yeah, let's try and be a bit more sensible. Trade less, but better trades, I think. Yeah, I think. Right, so the next day now, I've just got back home from work. Market's in a bit of an uptrend. And this is NASDAQ, by the way, obviously the 10-second chart, so we're just looking for that breakout. Kind of felt as though I went a little bit early on it, got into the trade a little bit early, starting to push up, coming back down a little bit, pushing up, pushing down, whatever. Yeah, it was a good trade. We did continue our uptrend, we did continue to break out. Quite nicely. I think it starts around here. Now, yeah, there you go. There we go. Obviously, no stop loss. Sorry, we are trading with stop loss with no take profit on there. So yeah, gonna see how that goes. I don't know. You know, maybe we'll wish that we'd put one on. I think I must have. Right, so again, the NASDAQ, this was a losing trade. This was a trade that we added into, but I liked what was happening with it when I added into it, so it's not like, you know, what I used to mess around doing, where it was like, oh, it's not doing very well, I'll add into it. Fucking dickhead. Yeah, but anyway, we've come back up to the top of that range, and we're sort of flagging on it now, so we had that big green candle pushed up, which was nice. We got into the trade, and now we're just starting to chop around a little bit. Yeah, still looking like, yeah, that's where I added in. So looking like we were about to break out of that little bull flag there, and then we didn't. So yeah, we added into it. You know, it wasn't the wrong idea. I don't think there was anything wrong with it. It just didn't want to go in the end. Like I say, this one really went on with itself for fucking ages. I think this was like a 10-minute trade or something daft. It just really went on with itself, which obviously 10 minutes isn't that long, but when you're sort of scalping, shall we say, it's fucking ages to be stuck in a trade. Really, you know, it's not really scalping anymore, is it? It's just fucking praying. Yeah, needless to say, Jesus wasn't listening, and I got stopped out. I think I moved my stop on one of the entries really tight, and then when that got triggered, I was just a bit like, nah, better off just getting out of the entire thing, which is what we did. So yeah, not really too much of an issue. Trying to figure out as well how to improve the picture quality of these videos, because the trade of 8-1, the last trade of 8-1, or sort of say the first trade of 8-1 that I uploaded was fucking awful. I don't really know how to rectify that, to be honest with you. It's just really blurry. So I don't know. I can't imagine this is... Well, this one won't be any better because we're not really doing anything differently. Well, we'll see what happens with that. Right, this one, I think this is gold actually. So we're breaking down, we're pushing back down, we're holding the 10 EMA. Are we? Not anymore. Yes, we were breaking down, and I thought we were going to continue to go. This again was another bit of a slow burner, to be honest with you. But we did stop trading after this, so we did slip into the red on the day, unfortunately. So yeah, we were up quite nicely with the first two trades, and then these last two just again the market's very choppy and it is kind of moving sideways. Not really a whole lot going on, unfortunately. So you know, it just is what it is. Still trading the smaller contract sizes. I think we're well. I was about to say I think we'll continue doing that, but given the fact that I'm sort of talking about yesterday's trades having already, you know, been responsible for the shit show the day after, I know I can tell you now with certainty that we didn't continue to trade the smaller contract sizes. Oh god. Right, but anyway, yeah, ended up getting stopped out of this. Not a problem. Well, it was, but anyway, we stopped trading after this. Yeah, slightly red on the day. Nothing too bad though. So, you know, to be honest with you, it was sort of a positive-ish day, given the fact that we weren't really able to trade the times that we wanted to as well because we were working. So, it all in all, it wasn't that bad of a day. We took two alright trades too that obviously just shouldn't have really entered into it. You know, this wasn't a good setup. It wasn't even a setup, I don't think. You know, it was just chopping. So yeah, should have avoided it. Didn't. Whatever.